That's what he does. Who?
Oh.
The creep.
Does he not do that in the song?
Gang gang.
I had too much in my hand. Sorry.
No.
That way? Oh, did you go that way?
Oh my god.
You know what, maybe, right. Lauren, you get the guac, I'll get the queso. Okay. Like, I only had... Where is it? Okay, now it's unlocked. I don't have to hold it. How did it close earlier? I remember. Oh, put it forward. Those things were at the bottom. These?
Oh, the net was at the bottom.
It has to go some way.
Yeah, and this is it folds like that, right?
Okay. This is usually like a one-man job. Like, it can't be hard.
Wait, I thought it was folded.
Yeah, I saw something fold. Oh. Like, something is folding.
Guys, I bet your mom's thing is lovely mother. Oh.
Get like that, like brushy on him.
That's a cannon, not mine, not a gun.
What? Hi, are you videoing
That's
me?
a bulldozer.
Did you get what I just said in the background?
You can't look at Mackenzie's becoming the little kid from the Goldbergs.
Yes, that's all I want to be in life.
You know what? He was pretty successful.
Okay, give it to me. Time to turn it around.
Look through the little thing.
The way that your eyes move.
I'm like nocturnal.
There's Lacey doing her fancy handwriting.
Hide your kid.
Such a cutie. There's Gianna.
And back to Jessie.
That's Jessie in her cave.
So zoomed in.
I don't know. We called it avocado because you say the alphabet and then whatever.
We're not saying the
Oh my god. And then
that looks
whatever you mess up on, you get to call them their name.
Let's do it. What do you mean their name?
Like you get to call them like if it ends in M, I get to call you Mr. Tree Pants.
Hey.
Hey.
Guafa? She's a guafa. She's a guafa.
Hispanic queen.
No, okay.
Hi.
That was fun. I love you.
Nick's getting a shower and get the.
Congrats on graduating.
We did it.
Ooh, I should do my be real.